Hello students. So today we will study that how we convert the decimal number into binary number and how we convert the binary number into decimal number. So means today's lesson is the revision of lesson 1. Since we have completed the lesson 1, 2 and 3 for the first periodical test exam. So I thought that why not we do the revisions of the lesson 1, that is binary conversion. And in this chapter is also important according to the first periodical test exam point of view. Okay, so lots of questions is also asked on this topics. So see how we do the conversion of the decimal numbers into binary numbers. See the first question of the lab session of your computer book lesson 1 in front of the activity section, lab session A. So in the lab session A, and the first question of that is, see the first question is 68. 68 is a decimal number. Decimal number base is represented by 10. This is the decimal number 68 and we have to convert into the binary number. So what will be the equivalent of 68 into the binary? That we have to find. So binary number base is 2. Okay. See, if you want to convert this decimal number into binary, first of all we have to divide this, which number is a decimal number. Divide the decimal number by the base of the number in which you want to convert. You want to convert binary into binary base is 2. So divide 68 by 2. So what you do? Divide 68 by 2 and write its remainder also. Okay. See how we do. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. What is the remainder? 0. Next, again you divide. Okay. So when I have divided this number, I got the quotient this and remainder here. Now again you divide this by 2. So what you get? 2 17s are 34. Again you got the remainder 0. Again divide 17 by 2. You have to continue this till you are getting here at the quotient 1 or remainder 0. Quotient 1 or 0. Now see, 2 8s are 16. Remainder 1. Again divide 8 by 2, 2 4s are 8, remainder 0. Again divide 4, 2 2s are 4, remainder 0. Okay. So we have to write the remainders here. We have to write the remainder here. All these are remainders. Now again 1 2 is there. So I have not a place. So this 2 will also we have to divide. So when I divide this 2, we will get again the remainder 0 and the quotient 1. So I am going to continue this. Let me take a new place. Okay. So let me shift. Do it again because here I have a very little place now. So let me do it in short. Okay. So I have a little place. So I am going to do a division here and I will erase it. So let me do it here. I have a place. And afterwards I will write the answer. So what you have to do? See, divide 68 by the base of the binary 2. 2 34 is 68. Remainder 0. 2 17 is 34. Remainder 0. See, 2 8 is 16. Remainder 1. So this all remainder I am writing. Now again 2 4s are 8, remainder 0. Now 2 2s are 4, remainder 0. Now 2 1s are 2, remainder 0. Now the binary number will be what? Write this all, write the binary number starting from this one. Now you write the number taking from this to this in this order. So this is the most significant bit and this is the least significant bit. So most significant bit is this. So upper here is the LSB, least significant bit. This will come at the end, and this one is the most significant bit. So in this order you write. Now it's a binary will be what? See, I am writing it's a binary in the bracket. Now 1, start writing from here. So 1 0 0 1 3 0 1 0 0. So what? 1 3 0 and after that again 1 double 0. So this is the binary equivalent of this decimal number 68. Okay, like this you have to do the division. So all remainders you have to write. So take the remainders from the bottom to up. All the remainders you write from bottom to up here. Okay, so the last quotient what you got, that is 1 here. That is the most significant bit. So every time you get 1 here. Okay, at last. So from this to this, from bottom to up, you take in an order and write in the bracket this number. Now 68 decimal equivalent to the binary is 1000100. Okay. Now move to the next question. Now we move to the next question. How we convert this binary number to decimal number? So first we converted the decimal into binary. Now it's a reverse we will learn. That how we do it. See the B1 I will do B part. Here it's reverse process. How we convert the binary is given 1 or 001100. This binary number we have to convert into the decimal equivalent. Now see how we write. Write all the binary numbers as it is I am writing again here 1 001100. Okay. Now see. Give the numbering here on the top. That you don't write on the notebook. If the exam is also asked, don't write it on the copy. Or if you write it with the pencil and then afterward you can erase it. We do give the numbering from the right to left, and the numbering will start from 0. Means we count these all digits. From the rightmost digit we give the numbering 0. We start counting from 0. So first you give the position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you give the numbering to the binary digits from right to left, starting with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This we have to do first class. So after that, what you have to do? All binary digits should be multiplied with 2, and the power of the 2, it should be the position, its number. So see what its position is. So in this value you have to all values you have to find, and after that we add all the values. So what do you find? So this on the place of this you have to write this. This what we are going to get? 0 into 2 to the power 0. Every binary digit should be multiplied with the base of the binary, that is 2, and power of the binary base 2 should be the position of the binary bits. So the position of this 0 is 0 position, so 2 to the power 0. Next see this one. What will be there? This will be the 1 multiplied 2 to the power 1. Its position is what? 1. And it's all value of we have to write it here. So what we get? 0 to the power 0 value is 1. So 0 multiplied 1 gives you what? 0. Here 2 to the power 1 value 2, 2 1 is 2. Here value you are going to get 2. Similarly you find for all. So here also this, see, 1 multiplied 2 to the power 2. So 2 to the power 2 value is 4. 4 multiplied 1 gives you 4. Now here this is what? 0. 0 multiplied 2 to the power 3. So whatever 2 to the power is there, but if you multiply by 0, value you are going to get 0. Product will be 0. 2 to the power 3 value is 8. 8 multiplied 0 gives you 0. So all 0 bits will give you the product 0 only. Only this bit 1 will give you the sum number. Now again see fourth one. This also you are going to get 0. Because here see 0 multiplied 2 to the power 4 gives you what? 0. Only this will give you some value. So this one is going to give you what? See, 1 into 2 to the power 5. Now 2 to the power 5 value is 32. 32 multiplied 1 gives you 32. Now you add all these values. See, 32 plus 4, 36. 36 plus 2, 38. So what you are going to get? 38. So the decimal equivalent of this binary number is 38. Add all these products. What we have got? Add all these products. So here, how is it? All bit 1 will give you the values. So bit 1 position is what? 5. 2 to the power 5 is 32. 32 is 32. Means here again 32. 2 to the power 2, 4. 32 plus 4, 36. 36 and here is what? 2 to the power 2. So here 36 plus 2, 38. Like this we can calculate also. Okay? It's very easy. So like in this order you have to do. Now we move to the next question. One more, you can see how we convert the binary. Okay. How we convert the binary to decimal. One more question you can see. So it is very easy. Suppose I have taken one question. 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. This binary is, and we want to find its decimal equivalent. See how? Again you can give the numbering. This numbering is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now see, only you write, because every 0 bit position will give you the product 0. So no need to write this values. Only 1 bit position's value you write. So this 1 bit position is their first bit position. So what you are going to get the value for this? 1 into 2 to the power 0. That is, this will give you the value. 2 to the power 0 value is what? 1. 1 multiplied 1. Means you are going to get its value. What? 1. See? Now for this you see similarly. Similarly you calculate 1 into 2 to the power 2. See? Its position is 2. So if this 2 to the power 2 value is 4. So 1 into 2 to the power 2 value is 4. Again it will come down. You will get 4. All you write down. Now next see, this is bit 1. So what you write? 1 into 2 to the power 4. That is, it's down you get 1 into 16. Now here you get the value is 16. For this you see 1 into 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6 value is what? 64. 2 to the power 5 value is 32. 2 to the power 6 value is 64. So here you are going to get 1 into 64 and here 64. Now add all these products. 64 plus 16 80. 80 plus 4 84 1 85. So this binary is decimal equivalent is what? 85. Like this you have to do. You understand? So like this you have to do. See, 64 plus 16 80. 80 plus 4 84. 84 plus 1 85. Okay, like this we have to do. Like this we have to do it. Okay. So this is all for today. So if there is any question, you do it at your book. So in the next class we will study that how we do the binary addition, subtraction, and binary multiplication and division. Okay. So thank you for the attention. So thank you for your attention. This is all for today.